Once upon a time, in a sun-kissed meadow, there lived an ant named Anthony and a grasshopper named Greg. Anthony was a diligent worker, spending his days collecting seeds and building a strong home for his family. Greg, however, preferred to play and sing, enjoying the warm sun and cool breezes. One day, as the rains came, Greg found himself without shelter, his home having been washed away. He turned to Anthony for help, but Anthony was too busy tending to his own family. Greg asked, "Why didn't you help me, Anthony? I've always enjoyed our days together, and I thought you were my friend." Anthony replied, "I would have with Greg, but I was preparing for the future. I spent my days working so that I could provide for my family. You, on the other hand, chose to enjoy the present without thinking of the future." Greg felt ashamed and realized the importance of hard work and preparation. He promised to change and work hard, just like Anthony. From that day forward, Greg became an industrious worker, spending his days collecting seeds and building a strong home for himself. He learned that a little effort now can lead to a secure future. And so, the moral of the story is clear: hard work and preparation are key to a secure future. Enjoy the present, but always remember to plan for the future, for the rain will come when least expected.